So the Ship to Shore project was brought to the school by Sarah. So it ended up going way beyond a week, a month, a year, and now we're into our second year with this project.
They're happy, they're having fun. They can't wait till it's this day. And I'm letting them take the lead. Trusting those kids to be able to and believing that they can. And I think that's important with a project like this, is trusting kids to make those decisions. It's about being a global citizen. It's about being a Canadian. It's finding out what our armed forces do.
Sometimes you'd get to meet the sailors on the smartboard. There was a couple sailors on the HMCS Calgary that would do a call with us about once a month.
Technology is other than our sailors, is the biggest part of our program, because without it, how do we bring the Navy that exists in Victoria or Halifax to the rest of the country? And technology is the biggest part of that. So, utilizing the video calls and the emails and all the different advancements that we have is critical. We can't run the program without it.
So I was super excited to watch what all the kids came up with, and I was really excited to interact with the kids and see where their minds were going to, what they were thinking about, see what they were excited to do. And it was really cool watching them develop the mind maps, and oh my gosh, the technology that they're using too, really cool.
I love technology. I've always been an advocate of technology in kids' hands, and it was just a window. That smartboard, it's a way for kids to find a voice. It's a way for kids to demonstrate their understanding. I'm constantly learning from them, even though I started them on the journey with this very cool technology.
I want all the kids in the program this year just to know more about the Navy, and I want to see it carry on throughout their school careers and maybe in the future. And I want this to go national. I want everyone in every major city, mid and major city in Canada to have a Ship to Shore program and be learning about the Navy and making those connections.